coming in. Yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be doing this look for you guys. So if you have Christmas feelings just like I do, keep on watching. I will be using the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I will be using the Revolution X Tammi palette, which I really love as well. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Let's get started. I'm going to conceal my eyes, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83 to do this. I'm going to use a brush to blend everything out. I'm going to use the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm going to start with the color Daddy, which is this one, and I'm packing it on my eyes to create a base first before I start the blending process. Oh, I actually forgot I want to do a cut crease, so I'm going to add some tape to my face. I like this palette more than I thought I would. It's the first time, it's my first time using this palette, but I can understand the hype. I'm going to use the Revolution X Tammi palette, and I'm going to use the color St. Catherine, which is this beautiful green color, and I'm using this color to blend out the darker cream. Okay, for the next step, I'm using the James Charles palette once again, and I'm using this lighter green, which is called Social Blade. And I'm going to use the color Social Blade to even blend out the rest. Like I'm working up from dark to light. And I'm using the green again from the Tammi palette just so that the color won't fade away. I just keep going back and forth until all the colors are to your liking. Like that. After that, I'm going to use the color So Good. The color So Good from the James Charles palette, which is a beautiful color. And I'm using a tinier brush to do this. And I'm just adding some of the color in my brow bone. Just like that. A beautiful color. Using the green, the lighter green from the James palette, just to blend out the edges. After that, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83 to cut my crease, and we're gonna cut a lot of crease today. So make sure you use enough concealer. I'm using this palette just for me to have a mirror up close to do this step. I'm just going to apply the color So Good over the rest of my lid. Now I'm going to use some glue to add some glitters. And I'm using this gold glitter. It's mixed with rainbow colors. I'm going to use a pencil to add these glitters. I'm going to use my black eyeliner to make a wing. For my face, I will be using this Shine Killer primer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just applying it on my face. I'm going to use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the color Deep Sable. Let me just take this off. Now I'm going to conceal my face with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83. And I'm going to use my blending sponge to blend everything out. Now I'm going to use my Perfect Color Liquid Concealer in the color Rich Espresso to contour my face. And I'm using a flat brush to blend everything out, starting with my nose. I want these areas a little bit darker, so a brush and my foundation just to get the same color as the rest of my face. And I'm adding just a little bit, just like this. For the next step, I'm going to use my Banana Dream loose powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to apply the loose powder. And I'm blending the loose powder out with my beauty blender as well. Now I'm going to use my bronze and gold palette, and I'm going to use this bronzer to bring a little bit of color back into the face. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm using the same two shades that I used before to do my under eyes. And I'm starting with the lighter color. Because the colors have a lot of fallout, I'm tapping my brush off first. Now I'm using a darker green, and I'm doing the exact same thing, but I'm doing it a little bit under the light green. I'm going to use a clean brush to blend the bottom row out. Now I'm going to use this bronze and glow palette once again, and I'm using my favorite highlighter, which is this color, to highlight my face. For my lips, I'm going to use this plum lip liner to outline my lips. And I'm going to use this PS lipstick in the color In the Buff. And I'm going to use the Kiko Millennial Lip Gloss in the color 19. Just like this, and this is the final look, you guys. Be right back.